In today's video, I'm going to show you affordable Airpods i7S TWS. You can find these on Amazon. I'll link the product in the description below. It comes with a manual like this where you can find all the information regarding how to use, how to charge. And this here is the charging chamber in which you can find the Airpods. For charging the Airpods, you can just place it in the chamber which turns blue and the Airpods turn red. And here is the charger for charging the chamber. On Amazon you can find these Airpods at a very cheap price, like below 400. I'll link those below. I find these very affordable and very good for this price. So do check out the links for this product down below.